and welcome to the channel today. Today we're going to be changing the battery in this Renault keycard remote. It's from the later Renault range, just to check it's the same as yours before we change the battery. Let's pop that down a sec. You're going to need a 2032 battery. These are available in most stores. We'll pop that to one side. We'll get straight into it. So if you flip the key on the end, you'll see there's a little tiny cut out there. So I'm going to now face that to the right side. I'm going to put my two fingers either hand on the front face of the key, my two thumbs on the back, my left thumb just to the edge, a little bit of light pressure on there, and as you can see the back slides to the right and lifts off. Now this will only go back on one way. I'll show you at the end of the video. So if we flip the key over, that reveals your emergency key. This clips out of here. Should this remote fail, this will get you into the vehicle. Now the location of the lock or the access point varies on model to model. That's something you need to check yourself. Okay, the battery is placed in here. So if we get a little small screwdriver and we'll just carefully clip that panel off there, and that comes off. That will only go back on the same way it comes out. This reveals the battery, which is the positive side up. I'll show you in a second the difference. Just flip that out nice and carefully, pop that down. There's your positive side, the smooth side. The negative side always has a domed edge. Okay, we'll get the new battery. All right, we'll place the new battery back in. Positive side up, which is a smooth side. Bottom edge of the battery in there. Just clip it into place. When you put this panel back on, this point here needs to be at the top. That just clips back into place. Now when you're putting the rear panel back on, just be careful to make sure that the little cutout on the end there goes to the opposite end. If you see, there's two little lines there on the front face of the key. There's two little lines on the back panel, and that little cutout on the end goes to the other end of there. So that's now in place, as you can see. A little bit of light pressure again. Push it to the right, and that's job done on your Renault keycard remote with the battery changed. Hope this was helpful. Please give us a like and subscribe. Check out our other videos, and we'll see you soon.